Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your community torchbearer, ladies and gentlemen, Jason Crone. Your community torchbearer tonight in Owen Sound, Ontario. Bringing the Olympic flame to the celebration tonight. A young man who knows a lot about the Paralympic Games. One of your own, ladies and gentlemen, once again, your community torchbearer, Jason Crone! Mesdames et messieurs, ladies and gentlemen, let's celebrate the Olympic flame! And I'd like to invite our dignitaries to please move up for a picture with Jason, please. Ladies and gentlemen, please loop around our